So this is where it all begins. Everything on this wall is going bye-bye, and that is going to become our beautiful green accent wall. Then we're going to paint the rest of the walls a soft, buttery white. And we're going to get rid of this awful carpet. I want to find a way to incorporate most of the decor that's already in here. I love my mom's antique vintage feel, and I want to see how we can blend our styles together. So we have big plans for our closet. We're going to take out these beautiful doors and replace them with mirror sliding doors. And then we are going to completely revamp this closet so we can get more storage space in there, especially since we will be losing our door storage. These are a few of my favorite pieces that my mom had. I do love my plant poster, but I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep it in here. We'll see. And this is the inspiration for my theme. This was hand painted by my grandmother. So here's the colors I've picked out. Here's the white, and then here is the awesome, beautiful green. And it's always smart to do a little sampling to make sure you're gonna like them together. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love this. What do you think?
I absolutely love Ross. I got these sheer curtains, and it was gonna cost me about $45 on Amazon to get four curtain panels. But at Ross, 20 bucks. And then I found this really cute tray. I figured I could put my bracelets and rings, and Russ can put his wallet in it for 10 bucks. Really cute. Made in India. Cool. So we're gonna put these up and see how they look. Always the helper. Mr. Pepper loves to help me with my bedroom. So does Rudy. Rudy, hi little girl. All right, you ready to get these other ones hung, Mr. Pepper? So I have this really pretty vase and ornament, but it needs a little dimension up in here. So I'd gotten a huge thing of these, the pampas grass, online a while ago. And so I kept a couple of them. And then I found this. It's really pretty. At TJ Maxx for $7.99. So we're gonna add these in here.
In my opinion, it's always good to compare prices. So I found this mid-century dresser on Rooms To Go, and it was $334. And that's with it being on sale. So then I got on Amazon to see what I could find. I typed in mid-century modern dresser, and voila! I think this is the same exact dresser that Rooms To Go had for over $300. I wanted to get a darker wood to match our bed frame and the nightstands we have. So I went with this dark walnut. Isn't it beautiful? And look at the price, $243.41. Wow. Now let's look at the dimensions, and I'm gonna compare dimensions. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are the exact same dressers. So I think I'm gonna go with the one from Amazon. I have a couple outlets that are going to be exposed. So I got these beautiful antique brass outlet plates to match the antique brass light switch I bought. This ugly light fixture had to go. So I decided on this beautiful bamboo light pendant. It's a pretty big one too. Check this out. Look how awesome that is. And it's gonna add such a bright, warm feel to our room. So I had my brother come over and install our light fixture, and as he was doing it, he said, "Is this UL listed?" And I'm like, "I think so." So I look it up, and it is not. It is not UL listed. It says it complies with UL safety standards, which is not the same thing, because if it's not UL listed and for some reason it causes a fire hazard in your house, your insurance will not cover it. So you always want to make sure that your light fixtures are UL listed. So we ended up getting this light fixture for the same price. So we took up the carpet and we put down this beautiful Pergo applewood laminate planks flooring. It's waterproof. And if you're going to do the flooring yourself, it's necessary for you to have a rubber mallet and a pull bar. I'll add a link to a YouTube video that I found useful in our endeavor to lay this floor. We've got sliding mirror doors coming, and we've got to take off the door jamb because it needs to sit flush in there. So got a little demolition coming. So with a bit of elbow grease, I was able to get the door jamb off from the entire frame. I did take out some of the sheetrock, but fortunately it's somewhere the framing will hide it, so we should be fine. And we're gonna have to rebuild it so that it works with these doors. And we got these from Home Depot. They're the 60 by 80 mirror bypass closet doors. The doors we had before, even though they are beautiful, they look like this. They opened outwards. So it took up a lot of our floor space. And with the window the way it is, it's not center. So the bed's gonna be closer to this side, and it's not gonna give much room for a door to swing out. So that's why we're doing it this way. It's very important to make sure that you have everything you need to start the project and make sure you get everything that it's supposed to come with. So I verified, I have 3 long pieces, and these pieces here are already attached to the doors, so that makes it easy. And then all of these things will come in a bag like this. So this is the not so fun part, all the caulking and sanding and then painting. Vertical distance was too tall, so we ended up having to get, I don't know if you can see here, we had to get another board to go across here for that extra ½ inch, but it was worth it. I'm all about organization, so I made my own labels for our storage containers in our closet. And I learned when you are trying to take these off the backing, go very slowly to make sure all the letters transfer easily. If you're interested in me creating any kind of vinyl tags or stickers for you, please reach out and comment below, and I'd love to make something unique for you. So now this whole dresser belongs to Russell, and I'm able to fit my clothes in these 6 bins. We've got my shoes on the side, and then we've got more room for shoes down here. And the nice thing was we were able to put our laundry basket in here as well. But I love the
industrial clothes rack. We had it in our RV, and I love it in here as well. Clothes move and slide so easily on there, and it can support so much weight. So got lots more storage now. And I decided to turn my wall here into a art piece and a propagation station.
Now for the final reveal.